Today we're going to transform my room. Hey, I'm Jen, and honestly I've been in this room since I was a small child, and somehow we're going to transform it into a sanctuary. It is super duper small, so I've decided that I'm going to make this into just like my primary filming and editing room because I just want to make sure I pump out more videos for you guys. So I'm going to change this from a bedroom to kind of a studio thing, although I can put a mattress down here if I want to sleep in here. But basically I'm going to move into another room to sleep and then make this into just basically a cool creative sanctuary. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride for my transformation. It might take a little while, but today is the first day of the transformation. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around my room. Okay, so this is my room. I used to have a bunch of like posters and stuff on the walls there, but we repainted recently and my dad hates it when I put blue tack on the walls or holes in the wall. This is my room. Very, very small. Every video that I film, I basically film it just from like this corner here. There's like a desk and I put it right at the bottom just to give myself the most amount of space to film, but I really don't have many angles. So today I am going to get rid of this bad boy. The bed is gonna be gone. But just before we say goodbye, I'll show you around the rest of the room just for sentimental value. We have my bookshelf here. Down the bottom for now, I've just put my Doc Martens. Here we got the wardrobe. Let me know if you want a wardrobe declutter because I'm gonna do that too. If I haven't already made it, let me know if you want that and I will do one of those videos where you try on every piece of clothing that you have. That's gonna be so fun to film. But yeah, from there I got the main door that you come into. I got a Polaroid frame. I might have to take the Polaroids out and start again because they immediately started doing this. And then on the side I have my desk. Again, some more docs that are just like my old Jadens, but maybe I'm gonna leave that desk exactly where it is because it's good for the sunlight, because every day the sun comes in really harsh, so I have to be mindful for where I put things in the room, and the screen might be kind of fucked if I put it anywhere else. So now we say goodbye to the bed. Okay, so I've taken the bed out with the help of my dad, and now I'm thinking I might move this bookshelf to where the bed was. So get ready for another time lapse. The main reason why I'm moving all of my books / my bookcase from that side is because I get so much sun on that side, and like all my books are super faded. Like it like had a book in front of it, so now just the side is super faded. Thank you, Australian sunshine. Also, side note, I made this in high school. Instead of being obsessed with Doc Martens, I was obsessed with Converse, so I made a ceramic Converse. This is now turning into a show and tell. I made this book of Harry Potter, which is all like cut out. It's all the pages and everything. This was the first one I made actually. This one I got Beginner's Guide to Photography, and I cut out, oh, don't jump out. Anyway, back to the transformation. Now I must move it from here to there. Abort mission. Basically, I needed a mother's opinion to work out that I definitely wanted it there. kind of getting heaps of plants from Spotlight. Yes, I'm hugging this plant. Okay, I went a bit crazy at Spotlight. This happened. Just a few plants. So this is the haul. I maybe got way too many plants. Basically, Spotlight had a 50% off plant deal that was starting tomorrow, but they already set up the promotion, so I got all of these. We got a lot of plants. Also, they're all fake, so I don't have to water them. But look how cute these little guys are. It only costs $2.50 for these, so score. Whoa. Okay, for now I have it kind of just like this. I have these plants at the top and I've put these ones just on here for now until I can put them somewhere. Also, I put these cute little ones in my shoes for right now. Let me know if I should keep it like this. How cute does it look? Ah, bubs. So I just bought a bunch of chairs. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit, but let's try this. Alright, so I just picked up 2 chairs. Didn't mean to pick up 2. I picked up this first, like, brown one back here from Facebook Marketplace. And then I was checking out the thrift stores. I found this amazing chair. Kind of expensive. It was $50 and I'm broke, but I feel like I was going to be disappointed if I left it. So I just freed myself of that angst and just bought it. So don't know where I'm going to put them all. So in IKEA I got a bunch of stuff. Spending too much money and too much time on this, but let's see if it works out, I guess. We'll be back in my room in a second. Alright, I am back from my IKEA slash thrift haul of my room. So first thing I got was this chair. This frame print of Sunflowers by Van Gogh from the op shop for $20, although that's a bit expensive. This IKEA mirror that I'm doubting and I wish I didn't get for $8. This sexy print and this sexy print, which also has other sexy prints. This random shelf for like $15 that I'm gonna put it maybe above my desk. This cool teapot that I got for $4 from the op shop, and this plant from IKEA that I hoped would fit in the teapot, but it doesn't. This epic armchair that I did not expect to buy, it's just so cute. I thought I could use it for videos, but not really sure where it's gonna fit in this room. And also this box. Yep, just a cardboard box. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also have this mirror. This I just found in my parents' room. They weren't really using it, so I thought I would use it. I actually wanted a really tall mirror, but for now we have this one and I'm gonna hang it up a bit higher and you'll see that soon. Now is the moment we've all been waiting for. The mirror is going up on the wall with the help of my dad.
And a plant hanging there. Yeah. Is that Subi? You'll see that slightly.
Gonna put this shelf on this wall.
So what we'll do is just go
And you're making a hole.
lot of boring math later.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's make one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
So that has been my room transformation. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like how it's turned out, especially with just like all the greens and yellows everywhere. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think I've pretty much said everything, but yeah, I can pretty much transform this room into anything I need for filming, which is awesome. So I can film more videos for you guys. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see, because I will make them. And I love it. It's just so open and everything. If I was to make it into a bedroom, I probably would put a bed here, like where the mirror is. So yeah, hopefully that gives you some inspiration if you want to do your room up. It cost me a little bit, a few $100s, but that was only because I splurged on this chair and a few plants. But let me know in the comments if you're doing a room transformation. I will check out your videos. And I have been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and until next time, keep wondering.